Welcome back. This is Shahrzad and today I'm going to teach you how to tune your violin. For tuning the violin, we just need these picks here and these fine tuners. And you can use the tuner like this, or you can use the small one that you can attach to your violin, or if you don't have any tuner, don't worry, just download an app, tuner on. The number that is on the string should be 440. Most of the time when you turn it on, it's already on 440. But if it's not, you can use the bottom on the corner to put it on 440. When I want to tune my violin, I'm going to start with A string first. If the note is so far from A, I have to use these picks here. If it's near the A, I'm just going to use my fine tuners. When I hold my violin, my left hand should be under the bow, on this part, if I want to use them. And if it's not, I'm going to do this, but it's better for you to hold your violin like this and then turn the picks. Very careful. Sometimes you can break the strings. So I'm going to start with A string. I'm going to turn the tuner on and I'm going to check it first. When you want to tune your violin, you have to use a very slow bow. So as you see, it shows the A, but the light here is not green. So because it's closed and then it's already showed the A, I can just use my fine tuners. I'm going to do it clockwise or counterclockwise. If you want to loose it, it's counterclockwise, and if you want to tighten it, it's clockwise. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to do it till the light turn green. Then I'm going to go on D string. So the notes here is C sharp. It's closed. If it's half steps, I still can use the fine tuners. Then I'm gonna go on G string. It shows F sharp, so it's pretty close. It's a half step. So again, I just need to use this. And at the end, I'm going to do the same thing on E string. So let's do it one more time that I use the picks. So I'm going to make it out of tune. It's stuck. It's stuck. So right now my picks doesn't work because they're stuck, because I didn't use them for years now. Sometimes don't push it more because you're gonna break the picks. Okay. It doesn't work, honey. So let's tune it again. Instead of the picks, we're gonna tune it with these small tuners. If you want to use these things, you have to attach it to your violin. So this is a brand new one, so I'm gonna remove the stuff. Okay. Then you're gonna turn it on. There is a small things here. You're gonna loose it, and then you're gonna attach it to your violin. Then you're gonna lock it here. Some of them that they don't have this and they have a clip, you can clip it to this part or this part. This part is better. So I'm gonna do the same thing. So as you see, it's red, it should be green. So what I'm gonna do, again, I'm gonna start with A string. It's a red A. I'm gonna turn it till it turns to green. You have to do it slow, because if you do it very fast, it doesn't get the sound. And then you can do it in a right way. Then I'm gonna go on D string. So see, these fine tuners, they go really low. I don't want to do that. So this is the time that I'm going to use the picks here. You have to hold it like this. Sometimes they are really hard to turn, but if it's a new violin, it's going to be turned back again when you turn it. So at the end, when you're done turning and tuning, just push it in. So I'm gonna hold it like this and very gentle. Mine sucks. I'm gonna break it. And it's green. Then I'm gonna go on G string. So it shows the F. So I have to hide it to go to the G. And at the end, I'm gonna do the same thing on E string. Done. Let me know that if it's helpful or not, and if you have any question, please comment or let me know. Thank you.